Hey folks, Aksham this side from AceIPM. The cutoffs for IPM 80 2025 for IIM Rohtak are now out. You can go on their website, click on this particular link in the announcement section, which will open up the results page. Over here, you need to enter your email address, and for password, you need to enter your date of birth in this particular format. Once you do all of that and log in, two scenarios might play out. First being that you're shortlisted. Congratulations, you will be shown this screen. You will not be shown your marks. Unfortunately, if in case you're not shortlisted, you will be seeing this, you will be seeing this regret letter and also the marks that you have obtained out of 480, which was the total. This is only for IPM and not for IPL. The result for that would be separate. And if in case you want to see what the cutoffs for this year are like, you need to go on the IPM page on their website. You need to click on the RTI data. As of now, the RTI data for 2025 is not updated. So if you open the 2024 data, this shows up. But if on the same link you change 2024 to 2025, which I've already done over here, you'll be shown this particular page. So the data is uploaded on their website, but it does not reflect on the front end or the homepage of the IPM section in IIM Rohtak's website. But as of the as per the data which is available over here, the competition is slightly lesser than last year if we compare it to last year, but the cutoffs are significantly higher. The cutoffs stand at 381 for general, EWS is 331, NCOBC is 297, SC 230, ST 138, and these are the cutoffs for DAP category students. So the cutoff rise was expected in a way because the paper this year was easier than last year, but yes, it has risen up by a significant margin, and the cutoffs are as follows. If in case you made it past the cutoffs, the interview stage is going to start probably in the next 7-10 days of time. And for that, if in case you're a student of AceIPM, you need not purchase anything extra. But if in case you're not, you can purchase our interview preparation course for a nominal price of 399, which is going to cover every single thing which is required for you to clear this particular interview, be it in terms of extempore practice or polishing your other HR answers, understanding what all is important with respect to your interview. All of that is going to be covered, including 2 mock interviews, which you can take online as well as offline over here at Sector 2 Noida. We have our offline center over here, so you can come here to do your interview preparation as well, or you can avail all the services online too. But that's about it, and I'll see you in another one. Till then, stay safe, take care, all the best, and bye bye. Thank you.